In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine shield on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this shield. Use a 10mm socket. There's bolts on the front. Take those out. Back here, there should be 4 screws. You want to take those out using a 10mm socket. Take those out. Same on the other. Then grab this panel and just slide it back. I'll slide this underneath. And take the screws, go back here. I'm going to get those started. Snug those down. Put the other ones in. Ours are broken on this vehicle. And it screws up front. Get those started. There should be one there. All right, snug all those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.